Okay, I'm here today at Da Nang Citrine Apartments. We're going to look at a 6th floor apartment. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. And these apartments go for $470 a month. That's 10,900,000 Vietnamese dong. If you pay 3 months at a time, they'll discount it to 10,500,000. And so let's go in and take a look at this apartment. It's a beautiful 1-bedroom apartment. As you enter, the kitchen is on the right. It's a very nice kitchen. You can notice already the woodwork in this apartment is really gorgeous. So there's a double sink, and there's 2 hot plates here for cooking. That's really great, and so you can cook 2 things at the same time. Some nice shelves there and cabinets underneath. The apartment has a spacious dining area, a beautiful accent wall that runs the length of the apartment. And as you move into the living area, there's a big, beautiful window letting in lots of light. The apartment has 2 air conditioners. There's one there above the window. These are split type, nice and silent air conditioners. TV is here, but the owner tells me if you want, you can move it into the bedroom where there's already a mount. And then there's a beautiful little standing only balcony that gives you great views of the city. I'll show you some of those views at the end of the video. The bedroom is off to the right, and it's a traditional Vietnamese bedroom. They like to have just a little bit of light, not a big window in the bedroom, the way a lot of Westerners might like. So there's a window there letting in some light, and as you come around and look at the bed, there's a window behind the bed in the corner that'll let in some light too, and both have nice privacy shades. The bed itself is gorgeous. It's one of these big wide beds you get here in Vietnam, 180 centimeters wide. California king, and there's a little table next to the bed, and again this beautiful green accent wall. I hope that's going to come out nice in the video because it is a gorgeous wall. Goes really well with all the woodwork in here, and the woodwork is just fantastic. It looks like mahogany. And then you've got your big wardrobe, big drawers underneath, plenty of places to put your hanging clothes, and on the other sides there's room for your suitcase. There's your aircon for the bedroom. And I'll swing back around so you can see the other area. There's a TV mount there and a shelf. So exiting the bedroom, back into the main area. We'll swing around here. Again, the kitchen, and then we're going to see the bathroom. And it's a really nice bathroom. Again, all this beautiful woodwork, and you can see the door itself has a nice frosted window portion. If you swing around, you've got your toilet there, and then your shower, and you can see that there's a laundry at the end of the shower. The tile work throughout this bathroom is really beautiful, and it's floor to ceiling, so any surface that you get wet is not going to be a problem. The shower has a rainfall shower head. You've got racks for your shampoo and your soap and so forth, and you also have a handheld sprayer. Let's take one more look around the apartment. Come in here, got a beautiful view looking into the apartment. And let's take a look out on the balcony. It's in a very quiet neighborhood. Directly in front of the camera is a little construction going on. There's a building being built there, but it's pretty far away. I'm not really hearing any noise from it. You get a little corner view here. You can look around the corner and you can see most of the city off to the west. The sailing bridge is there. I'll show a picture of that. Swinging around, you can see the Dragon Bridge coming into sight. There's mountains all behind the city. And as you come around, you start to see the Santra Peninsula, heading toward the beach over this side. So you get quite an expansive view out here. But below is more of the traditional Vietnamese neighborhood these days. A lot of beautiful houses out here. People are building these narrow, tall homes, and certainly this apartment is narrow and tall. They build them on land that is handed down through the family. And so it's usually the eldest son is the beneficiary, and they like to hold on to the property. So as Da Nang increases in size and prosperity. They're building apartment buildings where there used to be just a traditional home. And I think they're doing really well with it. Beautiful place and a beautiful neighborhood. Parking is inside. You come in through the front gate. And if you're parking overnight, or you're not going to use your bike for a while, you can park it there in the back. But there's also some parking spaces up in the front, which is more convenient to move in and out of the lobby. The rooftop deck has tables and chairs, a barbecue pit, and expansive views of the city. Thanks for watching, and to keep up to date with this channel, please subscribe.